Welcome to the new IVECO ON, a clear overview of your fleet in a single portal.
About time to get to work.
It now comes with a fresher, more intuitive experience, getting you to the right information in a simpler way, so you can make better decisions, faster than ever.
Exactly what I need to stay on top of my KPIs.
You can switch back to the experience you may already know. Just click on the Legacy version button to switch back to the previous version whenever you like.
Same tools, improved experience.
Everything you rely on is still here, yet improved and easier to reach. IVECO ON is your home for everything operational. Maintenance, repairs, contracts and invoices, all in one place.
That's the way to go.
Manage your vehicles remotely straight from the portal. And when a recall campaign comes up, you handle it right here, quickly, with everything documented.
Is a vehicle upgrade available? I'm already on top of it.
IVECO ON is where the data works for you. You can explore all the available reports, fuel and energy consumption, vehicle usage, driver performance and more for a clear view of your whole fleet at work.
Accurate and intuitive. Made for the real pro.
IVECO ON help you get insightful details, so all decisions are based on data, not guesses.
We better keep improving day by day.
The result? Time saved, uptime increased, and a fleet that simply runs smoother.
Just the way it should be.
Better visibility, smarter, data-driven decisions every day. New to the experience? You're never on your own. Download the full user manual right from the portal.
Welcome to the new IVECO ON.
Confident decisions made simple.